Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beauty of modern home design. In today's video, we'll be diving into some breathtaking house designs that perfectly blend indoor and outdoor living. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your future home or simply love great architecture, you're in for a treat. Let's get started by exploring how open concept spaces can transform the way we live. One of the biggest trends in modern home design is the open concept layout. This design approach creates a seamless flow between different areas of the house, allowing natural light to flood the spaces and making the home feel larger and more inviting. When done right, open concept designs can make your home more flexible and adaptive to your lifestyle. You can entertain guests in a large space that connects the living room, kitchen, and dining areas without barriers. It also enhances communication within the family, allowing everyone to interact, whether they're cooking, relaxing, or enjoying a meal together. A truly modern home blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Many of the houses we'll look at today feature large glass walls, sliding doors, or floor-to-ceiling windows that open up to the outdoors. This not only gives you more space but also connects you to nature, even when you're inside. Imagine a kitchen where you can step directly onto a garden terrace, or a living room where you can slide open glass doors and extend your gathering onto a spacious patio. These designs create a natural flow that encourages relaxation and outdoor activities. Outdoor spaces are becoming more than just backyards. They're extensions of our homes. Modern houses are designed with beautiful outdoor areas like terraces, patios, courtyards, and gardens that integrate natural elements like greenery, water features, and wooden decks. These outdoor spaces can serve as dining areas, places to unwind, or simply spots to enjoy the fresh air. Many modern homes also incorporate sustainable features like green roofs, solar panels, and rainwater collection systems, which not only look great but also support an eco-friendly lifestyle. Inside these homes, you'll find interiors that are sleek, minimalist, and functional, often with neutral color palettes and natural materials like wood, stone, and glass. These materials create a sense of harmony with the outdoor spaces. Open layouts allow for flexible use of space, making it easy to rearrange furniture or adapt the rooms to different purposes. The kitchen often becomes the heart of the home, with large islands that serve as both cooking areas and social hubs. Interior design choices are made with comfort and practicality in mind, ensuring that every part of the home feels welcoming and usable. Now, let's take a closer look at a few stunning examples. The first home is a modern masterpiece with large sliding glass doors that open up the living room to a private garden, creating a peaceful retreat. The use of natural materials like wood and stone throughout the house gives it a warm, organic feel. Our second example features a minimalist design, with a spacious interior that connects directly to a poolside patio, perfect for entertaining guests. Lastly, we'll look at a home that incorporates an indoor courtyard, surrounded by glass walls, bringing the outdoors into the heart of the home. Whether you're a fan of modern architecture or just love the idea of open, spacious living, these homes show how beautifully interior and exterior spaces can be blended. From the flexibility of open concept designs to the calming influence of nature, these houses redefine what it means to live in harmony with your surroundings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which design was your favorite, and we'll see you in the next video. And let me know if you need adjustments.